Subscribe Sports Point channel, press the bell icon for latest updates.
So he's going to be bowling seam up. Okay, let's fly. We've seen him bowl a real fierce, faster one, but this time, a new ball. Let's start with the wide.
And for the second time in the match, he's clocked 123 k's per hour. So India off the mark. Wait and see how quick he can go. When he bowled spin, it was 123. When he bowled medium pace, it was 123 the first delivery. 0.5k less the next one. With his swing, not bad.
Yes, good seam position. You can't take him lightly. Shahid Afridi is always in the game. Really not the right time to be batting just the last few overs. All they'd want to do is actually see off this period, keep their wickets intact. Not much to gain, but you've got your wicket to lose. Shoaib Akhtar not bowling. I thought maybe they'd have a go at the Indians and try and get a couple of wickets. Make a psychological point.
The crowd disappeared after he got on Shahid Afridi. Maybe they'll realize he started to bowl in the bouncer. Takes a lot of effort. Day 5. The last 1 hour to bowl a bouncer. And again, this one was still climbing as it reached the keeper.
Well bowled. Too short though. Enough time for VVS Lakshman to let it go by.
That will be signal 2 for the over. 2 bounces.
One more high, one more.
This is a lot better. Bowl 2 bouncers. If you were to bowl another one over shoulder high, you declare a no ball.
Bit of inside edge. 5 for no loss.
Subscribe Sports Point channel, press the bell icon for latest updates.